And now I'm all pumped up again.
The best country I've ever been in my life.
This is not a red zone.
They put out a narrative that this is so dangerous. And
Hey, Mom, I'm still alive. I used to race, so I've been in places like this, but not professionally like this. But oh my gosh, this is awesome. And then being able to sit at the front line and watching these guys like this far from me, it's awesome. I got a whole new adrenaline. I was ready to take a nap after we ate lunch, and now I'm all pumped up again.
you just feel the energy, feel alive. It's exciting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then being in the box with Dima, I mean, wow.
Sitting on a beanbag chair with an umbrella if you want it. Yeah, I'd rather be in the sun. I'm good. This is incredible.
Here we are in Belarus.
Yeah.
Everything. It's not what Mom, it's not what they all say. This is not a red zone. Hey, Mom, I'm still alive. Well, I told her a minute ago, it's safer here than anywhere in the United States that I've been to, so.
This has got to be the safest country in the world.
By far. And we traveled a lot of places.
Yeah.
This is the safest place I've been.
Food tastes like food, meat tastes like meat. I mean, people interact, people love each other. They put out a narrative that this is so dangerous, and I see why, because they're trying to keep it for themselves, you know?
Yeah.
They put out all this garbage and fill you full of propaganda, but no, we love it here, and this is the best country I've ever been in my life. Absolutely be back. Absolutely.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah. We're doing it again next month, right? Except this time I get to drive.